Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of AI, artificial intelligence. It's everywhere these days, and honestly, it's got a bit of a PR problem. See, there are a lot of misconceptions floating around about AI, myths that are kind of like those persistent rumors you heard back in school. We're talking about things like, will AI steal everyone's job? Spoiler alert, it's way more nuanced than that. We'll break down why some folks think AI is going to turn into some super intelligence that takes over the world, and why that's, well, a bit of a stretch. Get ready to separate fact from fiction. Let's get started.
Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say the robot in the factory. The fear that AI is going to automate every single job out there is a big one. But here's the thing. AI is actually really good at specific tasks, like super good. It can handle repetitive, data-heavy stuff way faster and more accurately than we can. That frees us up to focus on things that require, actual human ingenuity, creativity, problem-solving, critical thinking, all that good stuff. History's shown us time and time again that new tech often leads to new jobs. Remember when the internet first came out? People freaked out about job losses, but look at how many new industries and opportunities it created. AI's got that same potential. So yeah, the job market's going to change, but it's not the robot apocalypse everyone's making it out to be.
Alright, let's talk about another biggie. The idea that AI is going to become sentient, like it's going to develop feelings and consciousness and start writing poetry or something. Here's the deal. AI, as smart as it seems, is basically just really good at pattern recognition. It gobbles up massive amounts of data, finds patterns, and then uses those patterns to make predictions. It's not that the AI understands your taste in movies or music on some deep emotional level. It's just really good at analyzing your past choices and suggesting something you might like based on those patterns. So, while AI can write something that looks like a poem or compose music that sounds pretty good, it's not because it's pouring its heart and soul into it. It's just following the patterns it's learned.
Okay, time to debunk another myth: AI infallibility. Just because a machine can process information faster than us doesn't mean it's always right. In fact, AI can mess